Morning world! How was your 11/11? Did you get out unscathed? Did you buy anything? I did. But I only bought one thing for 11/11 and that is this. This is the Audio Technica AT2040 and this is gonna be the new podcast mic. Here's one. Let's go to the unboxing table. Okay, and we're now here at the unboxing table and look at that, we've got the box here for the Audio Technica AT2040 hypercardioid dynamic microphone. Look at that. See? There we go. Okay, it takes a while for the focus to get in play, but yeah, this is an XLR microphone. So check that out. On the side of the box, you have this very nice picture of how they think you should set that up. Audio Tech logo on the top, and on the side, again, more details here telling you it's hypercardioid dynamic mic. It also has a little pouch that you can actually keep it in. But we're not going to do a full test of this here. I'm going to use this for my podcasting. So listen to some of the future episodes for those podcasts. If you want to check that out, I'll leave those in the description. But what comes in the box is we've got a disposal of old electrical and electronic equipment manual. That's important somewhere. And we also have a user manual for the AT2040, and this opens like that. Let's see. There we go. I'm gonna just bring this up to the camera a little bit so you can take a look. Feel free to just pause the screen if you wanna look through what it says on there. And that's that. Putting that off to the side. A little bit of a foamy packaging here. And look at that. That's our mic. It's actually pretty straightforward, pretty simple. We've got a carrying pouch here, which is there's a little bit of a spacer screw thingy here, and very nice padding, as with most of the Audio Technica microphone products that they have, which is pretty cool. And let's get this one. Oh, it's quite hefty actually. Whoa. And I don't know, right? Hefty would normally associate like a very heavy object with a good build quality as well. So it feels good, and the cool thing is there's an inbuilt pop filter inside this camera already. There is this, of course, this goes here. There we go. And you can screw in your tripod stand mount or whatever as well. But other than that, that's pretty much it with the mic. Of course, we've got your XLR female at the back over here, made in Taiwan, AT2040, and some certification printings over there as well. Let's see if there's anything left inside it. No, that's pretty much that. Oops, excuse me. That's pretty much that for the box. And yeah, so here's the mic again in closer look. That's all that comes with the mic pretty much. But yeah, thank you for watching this quick unboxing. I'm gonna let's do the closing. We're back. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. I've got it on a little bit of a very cheap mic clamp stand over here. And again, I'm not testing this, right? Because I'm about to plug it in and perhaps record an episode of the Betterdanthis Podcast. So if you want to hear how this sounds, you can check that out. One thing I noticed when clamping this in already is that the weight of the microphone is super heavy. But again, it feels very sturdy, it's very nice, and again, there is an inbuilt pop filter in this thing. What is a pop filter? This thing. So you know how we normally clamp this in front of the mics so that it minimizes all the and the kind of thing. So yeah, that's what a pop filter does. I have another one here. So these are how it might look like. So this thing actually has an inbuilt pop filter inside it already, so you don't necessarily have to do that. And I think one of the reasons I bought this is that there were some interesting reviews about this being very good for vocals, specifically like talking and stuff like that, so like podcasting. So I thought, hey, it's on sale during 11/11 and I thought it'd be an interesting buy to just test it out. But here's how it looks like. and yeah, can't wait to try it out with the podcast. So do check out the podcast if you want to hear how this sounds. And thank you for watching this episode. As always, leave a comment down below. What did you buy for 11/11 this year? And yeah, I hope I'll be happy with this purchase. In the meantime, stay awesome. Do remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you as always in the next one. Bye bye.